Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a table using another table. Okay, so last video we shared how to create a table. So if you have not watched the previous video, and then please you can check on the YouTube. So this is my playlist, MySQL tutorial. You can check from here. Okay, let's come to the point. Here the point is how to create a table using another table. Okay, so let me log into MySQL. Let me show databases. So I have the MKD mixture database. Let me use it. Okay, uh, let me do one thing. Let me show you the table. We have the employee table already existing here. Let me show the DDL. This is the command to show the DDL. So create table, the database name and the table name. Okay, so you can see the DDL is we use employee name, employee ID, first name, last name, gender and mobile. Okay, here we are going to create another table, student table. Okay, so we will use only like first name, last name and mobile number. Okay, using this create table, using this employee table. Okay, so let us do that. Let me show the syntax. What is the syntax? So this is the syntax to create a table from another table. Create table, the new table name, and then as, and select, we need to select a column and then form, and you can use the where condition also. Okay, so here what we are going to do, from this existing table, employee, this is my existing table, and I'm going to create a new table, student, using this column, first name, last name and mobile number. Okay, let us do that. Create table student. So we need to define as. Okay, so what we want to select, we need to select first name. Okay, let me copy from here so that there will not be any syntax mistake, and then last name and then mobile number. Okay, so after that you can mention from the table name. So this is the syntax. Let me show you again. Create table, new table name, student, as, select, this is the syntax, first name, last name, mobile number. We are using first name, last name and mobile number from employee table. Okay, so this is the syntax, create table, and this is matching. So let me hit enter, you can see. Okay, so let me show tables command. You can see the student table is there. If we need to check the DDL, then let me type here, show create table, the database name is MKD mixture and the new table is student. Okay, you can see student table, new table name is student, first name, last name, mobile number. So let me summarize once again what we did. We had already employee table, and from employee table we created student table using some specific column, and the column name is first name, last name, and mobile number. Okay, you can use some condition also, where condition also. In another video I'm going to show you how to do that, how to use the where condition. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.